Hey everybody, here we are at video number 10, and today we're going to be talking about working with tables. I just want to go back to my good old government data set that I had earlier, and I have all these different ways that I've organized the data by energy, calcium levels, cholesterol levels, etc. Or intake levels, excuse me. There are going to be a lot of times where I just want to focus on maybe I'm only writing a report about the calorie intake and that's it. It might be useful for me to export just the calorie data as a table or to work with it as a table. So what I want to do is to create a table within my data, I'm going to go up to my home toolbar and I'm going to go to my format as a table. And then I'm just going to choose whichever one of these styles looks the best. I'm going to go with dark, the dark aqua. Just love that. And now I'm going to tell it exactly where the data is in my table here. So I have just told it that. Okay, it's asked for that. And then since my table does not have headers, so I'm not going to tell it that it does. Okay, and what it's done now is it's created a table, and I'm free to create different column names that will allow me to manipulate the different aspects of the table that I've created. Now, if I want to go and change something about it, now I can go into my table design options, and it's going to allow me to quick change how my table looks that I've created, and also it will allow me to, you know, select different properties and features within them, within the table, so that I can uh, give it the properties that I want. So say that I want to be able to quickly filter something within my table, then I can have that there. If I don't, then I can go ahead and get rid of that, etc., etc. So you can go ahead and take a look at all these different functions, and I will leave you all with that. That's just a basic overview of our tables.